What is the difference between Bower and NPM? What is the fundamental difference between Bower and NPM? Just want something plain and simple. I've seen some of my colleagues use Bower and NPM interchangeably in their projects. All package managers have many downsides. You just have to pick which you can live with. History. NPM started out managing Node.js modules. That's why packages go into Node modules by default, but it works for the front end too when combined with Browserify or Webpack. Bower is created solely for the front end and is optimized with that in mind. Size of repo. NPM is much larger than Bower, including general-purpose JavaScript, like country data for country information or sorts for sorting functions that is usable on the front end or the back end. Bower has a much smaller amount of packages. Handling of styles etc. Bower includes styles etc. NPM is focused on JavaScript. Styles are either downloaded separately or required by something like npm Sass or Sass npm. Dependency handling. The biggest difference is that NPM does nested dependencies, but is flat by default, while Bower requires a flat dependency tree. Puts the burden of dependency resolution on the user. A nested dependency tree means that your dependencies can have their own dependencies which can have their own, and so on. This allows for two modules to require different versions of the same dependency and still work. Note, since npm v3, the dependency tree will be flat by default, saving space, and only nest where needed. For example, if two dependencies need their own version of underscore, some projects use both, is that they use Bower for front-end packages and npm for developer tools like Yeoman, Grunt, Gulp, JS Hint, CoffeeScript, etc. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.